Integrate Jira with Sherpas in just a few steps to synchronize tasks and streamline workflows. Select Jira when creating an integration. You'll be redirected to Jira, where you need to install the Sherpas.dev in your chosen workspace. Click Get It Now and wait a bit until it's fully downloaded. Sherpas has been successfully installed. Go to your projects and, in the left sidebar under Applications, find Sherpas Dev. It may take a moment to complete the integration. Next, you'll see the on-screen steps to finalize the integration with Sherpas. To fully complete the integration between Jira and Sherpas, click the Create Integration button. You'll be redirected to Sherpas for synchronization. Return to Jira and confirm synchronization by checking the checkbox. Finally, click the Send Tasks button to display tasks created in the last 24 hours. Let's return to Sherpas to complete all the settings. We can see that the Jira integration has been created. Go to the team page, create a contributor, and you'll automatically be prompted to add an author event. Select Jira. Then navigate to the dashboard page, where you'll see a chart displaying events from the Jira board for the last 24 hours. And that's it. The integration is complete. Now you can use Sherpas alongside Jira to track your team's progress in real time